Well, some good news for the U.S. economy. Inflation has cooled over the last month. That's according to new data released by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And falling gas prices have played its part in the drop in prices. Ivan Rodriguez takes a closer look at the numbers.
Stocks inching higher during the trading day Tuesday after the release of new figures from the Bureau of Labor Statistics continue to show inflation is easing. The latest consumer price index rose 3.1% for the 12 months ending in November, showing a slight decline from the 3.2% in October.
Compared to pre-pandemic levels, prices are still higher. The good news is that inflation peaked a long time ago.
Gas prices sank 5.8% from October, driving the drop in CPI. But the cost of shelter still shows no signs of easing.
We still have higher costs for shelter and services overall, so there's still a bit of a battle going on out there with respect to prices.
Food prices, on the other hand, moderated from the month before. With inflation down nearly 2/3 from its peak of 9.1% last June, President Biden is celebrating progress.
America's had the strongest growth and now is the lowest inflation of any major economy in the world, but there's more to do.
When taking out more volatile components like food and gas prices, core CPI rose 0.3% from October, leaving the year-over-year growth rate unchanged at 4%, the lowest it's been since September 2021.
Inflation has moderated somewhat more quickly than expected of late, and so we could get a pleasant surprise that inflation is not nearly the factor that we might have thought in the coming year.
I'm Ivan Rodriguez reporting.